receiving the certificate and license as both masters and also for level 6 license. So the responsibility of this license rests in your hand, as already alluded to by the Turana Timalis. It's not yours, it's for you to exercise your wisdom, and also to the safety of those that be traveling on the vessel that you take will be in your hand. So you now have that responsibility that you shoulder, that you must always keep in mind that you are taking people around, and safety is paramount. Government has brought this training so as to empower us, rather than going to Rompas and pay this competition fees there and have the training there. We managed to bring it to the doorstep so people can be trained here, because it's the place that you normally use those vessels. So you use it with responsibility, with whatever business you do, and also respect the community leaders, the church leaders, and the children, because that license is for service and serving the people. Sa atin na ititiwalawin na bitalevo, na ititiwalawin ito yung mga mga ito ng timali. Hindi na ito na nagkakaw. Ito na mga respon, ito na mga nila. Ito na nga batin mga. Ang mga ito, tingnan ko boss. Mauwi ito na itutuloy na iba na mga nagtimali. Na hindi na iso ko di uwan, na kamay sulit ito na stipikit. Ito na tari, stipikit uwan sa poro na.